Hello, love. How are you?
Meron kayo martilyo? Pukpuk mo sa ulo mo!
May pag kinsa kita ilaron ron da toy ki importante ko kita ato ni bligya di cellphone ay gubam ni ato manginat ron kita rin tali unahan sakpan tahan
Ayaw, di ba?
di lagi ato ni pinaghala mo basta naalang kasluyo na garo tara
Days later.
Hello, love. How are you?
Meron kayo martilyo? Pukpuk mo sa ulo mo!
Fine? Okay. Okay, thanks. Okay.
Meron kayo martilyo? Pukpuk mo sa ulo mo!
Okay.
hey Joe man
Hey, good morning, guys.
hey come I selling your phone are you okay
Yeah,
what's your age
not for sale. Not for sale, my age.
what's your name
My name is Kamuting Kahoy.
what's kamuting kahoy man
You know? Not understand.
why
You Philippine?
yes I'm Philippines
Filipino?
yes I can sell her my phone
Not buy.
why this phone is
See, my mobile phone is made in America.
no this
Made in China?
this cell phone is
Made in China?
made in Philippines. You pick this a beautiful girl. You look whole body, no underwear.
Not buy because you pick your cell phone.
No.
Pick.
Not picky. This phone is very high quality.
High quality?
Yeah,
How many meters quality that?
it's 10 hours later.
Oh, meter.
Yo,
Not buy.
why?
I'm
This I
too much money but not buy this.
okay, fine.
5 pesos only?
Yeah, hi.
Okay.
Five.
Only give me 5 like this. Okay.
No. Money.
You like money?
You money, man.
What's problem you?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're so tihik.
What do you mean tihik?
Tihik me.
5 pesos. Okay.
No. More.
More.
More 5.
More 5, okay. More 5. Okay.
Yo.
No.
Okay.
Now,
More.
where going?
Going
Going to the moon?
No.
To the sun?
Going to you.
Going to me?
Yes, I can sell my phone.
Ayaw, di ba?
Because my phone is your phone is not bad. This phone is bad. You see, you pick this.
Give me
Beautiful girl. You pick this whole body.
Give me
See here.
one photo. One photo.
This yeah. You see? No underwear.
No underwear. No like about a scandal
No scandal.
because I'm coming here your country. I'm only raised like this. I'm like
Right.
this country. You know?
This guys, no money. No money. 10 pesos. No money. Tihik.
Go. You like money. This guy no understand. Here. Too much money. See? No brain, this guy. Maybe have mental.